Most of the misconceptions about asbestos has been created by the industry, which is manufacturing asbestos containing material. You got to understand that in the earlier 3-4 decades, in the 70s, 60s, asbestos was marketed as a miracle material. And that advertising which took place created such a good value for asbestos, not knowing the harmful effects of it.
But suppose we look at a material designed especially for sidewalls. And science also created asbestos cement roofing, which has made buildings safer and more durable. And so we suggest you consider this material for the walls of your home. Designed to last a lifetime, a trouble-free lifetime, and designed for a lifetime of beauty.
Now this was the reason why people don't have so much knowledge, because billions have been sent in marketing this product as fire resistant, acid resistant, and its basic qualities. And it was so cheap, it was such a wonder product that industries which use it have really promoted it big time, and some of them are still resisting change and still doing it today. So the common man does not know, or has not been allowed to know, the dangers out of asbestos. And those who have already made it don't want you to know, scared that you might put a claim on them. And that's been the case with this industry right from not only in India, in the US. A lot of companies went bankrupt when people found out how that asbestos affected them. And this is why industry is so protective in communicating this message down the line to the common public. And this has been a phenomena across the world. We in turn are trying now to educate users, residents, office goers on the dangers of already what has been installed in their place, and trying to advocate the government and environment bodies to get a ban on manufacturing products with asbestos. It is going to be a difficult task without support from everybody involved in the process, everybody who's influencing this danger. All need to talk about it. It needs to take another level. It needs to be scaled up to another level, and then and only then can we see results. I mean, I've been told by figures that asbestos manufacturing industry is growing by 12% in India. This figure just came up to me a few days back, where it is being totally banned in other countries. We have laws in disposal of asbestos containing material, but we have not made laws to stop production or licensing them. So there's a bit of a gap, every harmful effect, and what we can do to protect ourselves while doing this exercise. It is only we, the public, have to talk about it and make it happen.